I am the founder of Tech Savvy Nurse Beyond Bedside Skills. I am an award-winning nurse with over 20 years in IT and more than a decade at bedside. So I've actually lived both worlds. And now I help nurses build real tech confidence so that they can be more confident with their skills. And if they're interested, move beyond bedside, because most roles you will need to have some tech skills. So having these tech skills will make you feel more confident so that you don't say, oh, I can't apply for that job because I don't know Microsoft Word or I don't know Excel. So learning these tools, even just the basics, will get you that much closer to your next goal. So this is what I've learned from watching some very smart healthcare workers struggle with these tools. It was never about their ability, okay? Most of us were never actually taught this. You're just expected to know it. How does that work?